Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to update Visual Studio Code so you always have the latest feature, bug fixes and performance improvements. Let's get started. First of all, open the VS Code. As you can see, this is my VS Code screen. Here, open the help menu. In the top menu bar, click help, check for updates. You can see here the help option, and here go to the click for updates. Here is, as you can see, restart to update. Here is the option. Then download the update. If there's a new version available, VS Code will automatically start downloading it. Restart to install. Once downloaded, click restart to update and wait for VS Code to open. For Mac users, on Mac, click code, check for update. Instead of using the help menu, click code, then check for updates instead of using the help menu. Then optional one is the manual update. If automatic updates doesn't work, go to the go to your browser and go to code.visualstudio.com and simply hit enter and download the newest or latest version. Install it over your current version. Your setting will stay intact, and that's it. Now you know how to update VS Code and keep it running with the latest features. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe for more quick coding tips, and let me know in the comment which new VS Code feature you love most. And happy coding!